Luke, I'm so excited to be here in this moment with you after close to 9 years. It's wild to me that in the beginning we were long distance, 1,000 miles apart for 2.5 years. At times I forget this because now it's hard to imagine life where we aren't together.
You stole the light from the stars above and brought it here tonight. I'm mesmerized, terrified, but I've never felt more alive.
You look so good.
Thank you.
And
So after a few years of that, when we jumped straight from living across the country to living together in Virginia, it came naturally and it was easy. And that's how being with you always is. It comes naturally and easy. You've shown me how to enjoy the beauty in every moment together, and you've amazed me with your ability to always be yourself.
It's always bugs.
You are so beautiful.
You are who I want to experience this life with. The wonderful parts as well as the more mundane parts. I've never been more comfortable with someone, yet continue to get butterflies every time I see you.
is this a dream? I can't believe you standing here with me.
I promise to always love you, and I promise to make you feel loved all the time. I promise to cherish every moment that we spend together. I promise to do these things for the rest of our lives, and I couldn't be happier to take you as my wife.
And I'm falling.
You two have always chosen each other and have always found peace in each other and prevailed all of the relationship tests of time. To Melissa and Luke, may your love always cherish the loyalty that comes naturally within you both. And may you always find the peace in each other at the end of each day, as you always have these last 8 years and will for the rest of your lives.
By the power vested in me from the Commonwealth of Virginia, it is my honor and privilege to pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss your bride.
Through the darkest days, through the seasons change, I wanna love you right.
I'm really happy that these two decided to make it official. I look forward to many more weekends spent together with you guys. Please raise your glass, and as our friend Aaron always used to say, no Luke, no fun.
I'm really excited to see both of you, Melissa and Luke, to continue your journey together. You're gonna have some incredible highlights. The lowlights will be there too, but I know that you will navigate them, and that's the beautiful thing about it. I know that you'll handle them with grace, and through it all, you'll have each other there.
And I'm falling, falling for you. And I'm falling.